How's it going today? I hope you are doing great. Today I'm gonna show you how I make teriyaki sauce. It's very easy. All you need is like half a cup of water, and I'm gonna need some cornstarch, 1 big tablespoon. We use this because we want our sauce to be thick. We don't want it very thin. And after you put the cornstarch, just start combining everything in there. There's nothing like making your own teriyaki sauce at home. I'm gonna use some garlic powder that I make at home, and I'm gonna upload the video in the future how to make garlic powder instead of buying it in supermarket. And I'm gonna add a little bit of ginger powder, also made at home. I like to make my own spices. I don't have to buy them in the supermarket anymore, and I'm using good quality ginger powder. I'm also using some onion powder that I also made. Stay tuned because we're gonna show you how to make all that stuff at home. And just start combining here. And some people like to buy teriyaki sauce in supermarket, but they're very watery. I don't like the flavor of it. I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of brown sugar. Yeah, it's a lot of sugar. Teriyaki sauce is supposed to be sweet. It's supposed to be tasty. And so we have here 1.5 cup. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use white sugar, but I prefer to use brown because it gives a nice flavor. And just keep using a big spoon and combining everything here, stirring. And we're gonna turn on the stove. Just try to keep it very low, not very high. I'm gonna use 1 cup of soy sauce. Yes, we have to do that. Now you can wonder, or maybe you're wondering, how can I use teriyaki sauce? What is it for? Well, when you wanna make like chicken teriyaki, when you wanna also put in pork and beef and whatever. To make this teriyaki sauce authentic or very good, I'm gonna use some like cooking sake. Yeah, I bought it in some like Japanese supermarket around here where I live. Just put a little bit of it. And also we're gonna use some mirin. Yes, we have to do that. Now, if you don't have sake, if you don't have mirin, yeah, you can get away, making the sauce that way too. And now we're gonna, start mixing everything here. Just keep your heat like to medium. I like to combine, I like to keep mixing everything in there. And once you start boiling, your sauce is gonna have a nice body. It's gonna have a nice black color. That's what we want. And start smelling like a Japanese cuisine in your house when you make this sauce this way. Okay, just keep mixing, and you're gonna see when it start boiling. Then you're gonna turn off the stove, and you're gonna have a good sauce at home. Now you can keep this in your refrigerator for maybe a month and a half, but try to use it, as often as you can. I like to use it when I'm also cooking like grilled salmon. I like to put the teriyaki sauce on top and then throw some sesame seeds. Oh yeah, it's amazing. Okay, we're finished. That's all we wanted. Did you hear that? That was a car that was speeding like crazy right in front of my house. They're supposed to run like 24 miles per hour, and they run around 40 or 50. Unbelievable. Okay, yeah, so the sauce is already finished. And now we're gonna let it rest, let it get cooled down because it's very hot. You don't wanna put it in any container. Leave it the way it is. And after like maybe a couple hours, then we're gonna use a strainer or a colander. Yeah, because we don't want, sometimes you're gonna find like little pieces of sugar or garlic or whatever. Yeah, I made my own like ginger, onion, and like rosemary powder. I'm making all the stuff at home. It's amazing. The flavor is very good. Now I like to put it in a bottle. And I'm gonna put a label that says teriyaki sauce, and that's it. What do you think? Yeah. Don't buy teriyaki sauce in supermarket. You're wasting money. You're not getting a good quality. Once you make it at home, you're gonna be very amazed or surprised. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. There's nothing like making salsas or sauce at home. It's unbelievable, the flavor. All right, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.